well, almost the end of harvest season now, right? I've been slacking on our vlogs.
70 acres.
I have been slacking. How many acres of corn, how many acres of beans have we done this season?
Not enough. We need more.
Okay. A lot to me, it feels like. We've been doing this forever.
I want more. I'll farm all the ground.
All of it.
All of it.
Last year was when I first started dating RJ. I got to ride in the combine, which I thought was super duper cute. But this year was my first year being put to work. I've been driving the grain cart and like going under the combine, doing all that jazz. And
Just been taking loads.
I forgot to laugh.
That's true though. I haven't.
That is true.
So there it is.
Anyways, so I've been busy driving the grain cart, helping move trucks forward. I haven't driven the combine. I'm gonna get the drone out today, do some footage. And RJ, how have I been doing? Am I fired or hired?
We got you still around, so I say you're still doing good.
Okay. Haven't hit anything yet. In a big field, it's hard to hit something. I will say that.
It does help, as long as you don't turn too tight.
That did happen once, but I didn't end up hitting anything. I just thought I was going to. So let's get to it. So I'm learning that if you're up here spreading out the extra corn, that is a good problem because that means the yields are higher than you thought they were going to be. We're finishing off this little tiny section of field, so we brought the dump truck because we thought, no problem, it'll fit in here. Well, it's doing a lot better than we thought, so we're cool. And my job is getting the corn in the front so that we can fit every last kernel without having to go get another truck. So I decided I'm up here. May as well play a little bit while you have some time. Work truck.
Work truck.
Lane said he does not like watching us drive this car because he loves these little Volkswagens, the Jetta diesel, what is that called, TDI? He does not like to see one of his favorite type of cars out in the cornfield. So we are getting ready to tear the combine down, which I guess I don't really know how to do yet. RJ goes up there and knocks everything down, and then I usually drive this, which would be the header cart, to the next field. So I'd say that's what I will be doing now. RJ, pull your pants up. So they do this because that little section right there would make them over height. Every corn counts, don't it, honey? So what are you doing?
Saving every kernel we can.
Do you hook it up for me to drive? Like, do you strap it down or am I good? And we're off. Let's go. So we are at RJ's parents' house, finishing up the last, I don't know, 60 acres of corn. We're gonna get the drone out and do a little bit of footage. I've been supposed to have been doing this the entire harvest, but I've been very busy learning how this stuff actually works and helping operate it. So now's the time. Now's as good a time as any. All right, that's the field we moved to, so it was an easy move. Time to go do the grain cart.
Third generation bought that field this past winter. Third generation to put a crop out on it.
We got the golf cart traffic over here. It's his family.
Wish it was a smidge drier on this last field, but it ain't too bad.
Okay, it is Sunday morning. We got done with that tiny little field. It's actually straight across the road there. Now we've got 3 trucks to fill so that we're prepped to take them in tomorrow. RJ doesn't have grain bins, so you kind of just have to roll with whatever prices are available at that point. But today I am the grain cart driver while he is going to be doing the combine. I'm going to try to get some drone footage and stuff. We'll see how it goes. while I'm trying to multitask doing this. There's a decent amount of sitting time when there's just one combine going and me. So like every other pass, I follow him. So I should have time to get some cute video. But yeah, we've only got 3 trucks to fill, and it's RJ and I. We'll see how long it takes us to knock it out. Well, I just know that if I do something wrong, it messes everything up. So I just need to make sure I know how to do it.
You know I do.
No, like I think I hit this one.
No. Well, not that little lever you just touched, but that remote, yeah.
This first.
You gotta hit that first. Oh, why don't you take your camera off just for 1 second, dude? Okay, I did 1 pass so far with being under the combine, with RJ driving the combine, and I got in trouble because I was going too fast. He dates a race car driver and he thinks I'm not gonna go too fast. So we're gonna try it again on lap 2. I'll see if I can get the camera set up. I don't have a good way anywhere in here to set it up. The worst part about learning how to drive is these CBs do nothing.
You want my forehead to be about and even with the passenger's tractor tires everything somewhere around there. That way I'm trying to dump it on the front and then you maintain that speed once you match it. And then that way I can close to your drain part.
I'll try. It's really hard to learn anything.
You're doing fine, honey. Now watch.
Now that I know I can change my speed, that helps. These CBs are terrible. I don't know what's going on, but no matter what he says, it's got that screeching. So I'm trying to learn, and I can only tell about half of what he says. And it adds a lot of stress to the situation. His phone's dead too, so we've literally just got this to work with. It's like a subway system. It's like... like the most chaotic vlog. I'm learning that it's really hard to vlog while you're actually physically driving the equipment, and you know, I'm learning how to drive the equipment while I'm driving the equipment, so I can't be super focused on trying to vlog at the same time. So anyways, we're almost done with filling 3 trucks for the day. Today's Sunday, so the grain elevators aren't open. We're just getting prepped so that we can go early in the morning tomorrow. This one's almost full. We're doing 1 more pass in the combine. I get to go ride with Honey for a minute, and then we're gonna go enjoy our Sunday. Probably work at our house a little bit, so